What is up, guys? We have finally made it to Alabama. Took us about 6-7 hours to get here. We just got to the house that we're staying in. We are going to hit the grocery store to get some stuff for the week, or for the rest of the week that we're here, and then we're probably gonna hit the water. So I will take you around the house. Check this place out. It is pretty sweet. We got a pool. Might be some flipping baits that go in there just to check some action out. Not that we need it. Here is home for the week, for the rest of the week. This kitchen is amazing. These appliances are like brand new. Nice little seating area. We'll be talking shop. This table will probably be full of fishing gear. Nice little area for me to edit. Hopefully you can see with the lighting. And then we got some rooms here. This bathroom. And this is where I will be staying for the rest of the time we're here. Yeah, pretty nice spot. I'm excited, man. I almost want to cook a full meal in the kitchen just to use the stovetop. Nice hardwood floors. This place is nice. We got this on Airbnb. Honestly, I'll probably leave a link to the description in the description below on the place that we're staying, because this place is awesome. And the guy we are renting this from needs more business. So check this out. I think anybody staying here fishing Guntersville is going to really like this spot. So I'll leave a description or a link in the description below. So check it out. But we're going to go to the grocery store. We're going to get some stuff for later, some stuff to eat, so we're not eating out every single meal that we're here. And let me get on the water. Here we are. Here we are, Lake Guntersville. Looking to first day. Just got out on the water. Derek's up there ahead of me. We're gonna go try and catch some fish. A little pre-fishing. See what we can come up with. Stay tuned. Oh, there's one. Please tell me I'm recording. Oh no! Well, it is the end of our day on our first day here, and Mr. Hood came through.
What up, little guy?
There it is.
I'll take it though. It was fun. It was on a frog.
Just a little squeaker on a frog. Nice.
See you later, buddy.
Probably gonna end our day here. See ya. Got one bite. Derek got a couple. Grass everywhere. Be ready for him tomorrow morning. All right, so we're settled in for the night. Got off the water at dark. First impression is, oh my God, everything looks like it should hold a 5-pounder. There's so much grass, more than I've ever seen anywhere ever. So it's going to be difficult to try to find the spots that we need to go to in order to find fish. I mean, everything looks fishy, so it's hard to get everything going. We're doing a little bit of tackle prep right now. We got the boxes out, rods, everything going on right now. Getting ready for tomorrow morning, so I don't know what, we haven't quite picked out our launch that we're going to tomorrow morning yet, but it's going to be probably something on the northern half of the lake. We tried a ramp out of the southern half, and we probably didn't get more than maybe 100 yards, 150 yards away from the launch because everything looks amazing. So we fished along the weed lines, caught a few around there, and or I should say Derek caught a few around there. Caught one on a frog, he caught one on a fluke, and then had one come off on an underspin. So yeah, we'll see what happens tomorrow morning. I will definitely be starting with some buzz bait action. And what are you going to start with?
I think I'm gonna start with the wild plopper.
Ooh, plop daddy.
We'll see what happens.
So I'll catch up with you guys then. Probably going to be an early night for me. I'm exhausted, as I think most people are in this house right now. So we'll catch you then. Good morning from Lake Guntersville. The old V-twin buzz, a little spotted bass, fatty. See you, friend. It's a good start to the morning. I'm just paralleling this riprap bank and this V-twin buzz. Second bite. First one missed it, but I caught that one. Keep on it. Pro. All right, so I've just been covering like this big grass flat, which is essentially this entire lake with this swim bait. I don't even know if you can see me, but just the same one I was using yesterday. This little guy came up and nailed it. Just trying to find some new water, cover as much as we can. Obviously we only have a couple days before the tournament, so we got to try and figure it out, get some spots that we like what we see, and go from there. I don't know, I mean, I haven't seen anything here that's impressed me too much, but we're gonna keep on fishing. A little guy. Hey, there's another one. Little dinker. Giant. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Don't you dare come off of there. Don't you fucking dare. Don't you fucking dare. No. Get in the net. Get in the net. Yeah. Woo! Oh. Woo! Dude, oh my God, easily a PB, easily. Jeez. Look at this. Get a measurement on this guy. Let's get a release on this guy and get him back. Oh my God. Dude. Giant. Giant. Oh my God. See you, bud. Oh, I did it. I did it. I did it. I came to Guntersville. That's what you come to Guntersville for. Woo! Now, if I can get one of those on tournament day, I don't know what I'll do. I'll freak out more than I'm freaking out right now. This is amazing. First cast with a stick bait. First cast. And it felt like I was hung up. I set the hook on it and it just, and he, and then he just started taking line, and then he just started taking line and taking more line and then taking more line. And then I got to look at him. Oh my God. I wish I had a scale. I don't have a scale, but I mean, 21, I mean, woo-hoo-hoo. Yo, daddy-o. I sound so stupid right now. But, I mean, are you serious? Oh, man. Woo. You know, if I would have brought a scale, then I wouldn't have caught that fish. That was one of those fish that you catch because you didn't bring a scale. All right. Okay, I'm going to get back to it. Giant absolute tank. Oh my God. You stay on there. You stay on. Absolute tank. Oh my God. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh. Oh. Oh, I wish I'd have got that on camera. Oh my God. Woo-hoo. You come to Lake Guntersville for one thing. Big old bass on the froggy. I apologize for not having that on film. That blow up was epic. This thing is a giant, absolute tank. Look at this. Dude, this is what you come to Guntersville for. Are you kidding me? What a tank. Oh my God. Look at this. Oh my God, look at that thing. Another brute. This guy's gonna go over 20 as well. This guy. What a tank. What an absolute giant. Oh my God, look at this. Get a release on this guy. That was good. See ya. Just broke my board again. Luckily I have another. That was awesome. I just pulled up on this little spot. There's some brush in the water and just crushed an absolute tank on a frog. That was amazing. Just crushed the frog. Dude, this is awesome. This is what you come to Guntersville for, baby. Yes. Whew. So we just got off the water, or I just got off the water. Derek's still on his way back in. Found a little area today that I liked. Let's see what Derek found, because obviously we're traveling together, so we got to kind of go to the same spot. I caught another 21, tied my PP again. It looks like this spot's going to be open. There's a Spro Frog tournament, bass boat tournament launching out of, it looks like they're launching out of the state park way down lake. So hopefully this ramp will be good for kayaks. So I liked what I saw over in the area that I caught my that second fish, the second big fish anyway today. So we're gonna get out of here. We both smell so bad. We've been sweating all day. We're gonna go and get changed, grab some food, hydrate, and we'll be back at it tomorrow morning. Good morning and welcome to day 3 of practice on Lake Guntersville. We are way farther north this morning, fishing more of a river section of the lake. I caught one early on a buzz bait that looks like Derek's hooked up in front of me. That it was so dark, I mean, it wasn't even filming. So this water is ultra clear. They're pulling any water right now, so I'm not sure what's going on, but we'll see what happens, and hopefully we get them today. Got to make a decision tonight as to where we're going to go tomorrow. So decisions. We'll get at you. I'm sorry, how big you say it was?
It was like 19 inches.
Oh, dang.
I should have weighed it. I didn't even think about weighing it.
Was it a spot or a largie?
Nah, it was a largemouth.
I'm pretty sure mine was a largemouth too that I just caught.
You caught 2 now?
Yeah.
What was your biggest one?
Oh, the second one. The second one was, it was my first cast with a,
That was like a good one.
it was about
Oh, you didn't measure them.
15, maybe 16.
Okay. Man, as soon as it lit up enough so I could see, I started throwing the whopper flopper.
Yeah.
The first cast.
Oh, dang it. Largie on the old shimmy jig. From south. Not bad, probably 15 and a quarter. Crushed it. He crushed it. What's up? Just finishing up here, getting some tackle prep ready for tomorrow. We finished up our day on the water pretty early today. We found something that we kind of like, plan that we can agree on because we're both on the kayaks are on the same trailer, so we got to be going to the same spot. But we got a plan for tomorrow. Hopefully everything works out and we can get on them. Going to be watching the captain's meeting video here shortly, and it really didn't feel like going to it. We're all settled in here, so hopefully we can get on them tomorrow and not have to get a limit quick, and then we can just swing for the fence. It's been, to say that it's been tough would probably be an understatement. You know, we've been fishing hard for 3 days, and I mean, we've gotten limits, but between us on some of the days, but hasn't been pretty. A lot of people are struggling too. So hopefully that changes tomorrow. The weather's supposed to change a little bit. It's supposed to be a lot cooler tomorrow, but the morning's supposed to be very similar to what it was today. So if we can get out there and get on the bite that we had this morning, we should be able to get right pretty quick. But after that, this is going to do it for this video. This practice video for Guntersville. Clash of the Titans. Be fishing against Jordan Lee tomorrow and about 117 other people. So I appreciate you guys watching. Like, subscribe, share, comment, tell me what you thought, and we'll see you next time. Hambone Fishing.